Hey there guys, we're back at Victoria Park, which again is located in Truro, Nova Scotia, Canada. We're here at the Treesum Trail. Yeah, that's going to be our hike for this video. Not sure what's going on down there. There's a lot of cars all packed up in some trucks all parked there. And you might hear some chainsaws in the distance on a trail that's located in that direction, called McCabe Loop. I'm really not sure what's going on up there, but yeah, I can hear a lot of chainsaws. Hopefully they're not doing anything too invasive, destructive, because there's a lot of beautiful trees on that trail. Go up and see what they did after they move out. That's the trail I was hoping to do, but yeah, all the cars started to pass me, so I figured they're working on the trail, doing something up there. I assume they're with the park. Who knows? Who really knows? I'm just adjusting the video there, hoping you guys can still see it well after I did that, if better. Nice little swamp down there. It's a good place to catch a grouse. Well, not catch them physically, but see one and take some shots if you have a camera with you. So moist in the forest here. We just had a lot of rain. It's been cloudy, pretty moody. But it's going for 100 degrees right now. It's almost 11 o'clock a.m., 11 a.m. Yeah, it's going to be 100, that's 100 in Fahrenheit today. Some frogs down there. That's about 40 degrees Celsius. I suspect this trail is called Treesum because it is truly full of awesome trees. Old growth trees. Lots of hardwoods in here. This guy here is unfortunately toppled over. Not sure how recent that was. Very, very hilly around this section. Causes my cap to bounce, so you might notice that in the video in regards to the stabilization, because I have it mounted on my baseball cap, the GoPro. So sorry about that if it is happening as I suspect. It's nice birch trees. Usually I spend 6 to 11 hours per hike in this park. But I don't think I can handle that today with this intense heat. Even though it's nice and shaded in here, it's still incredibly hot. Way more than I can handle. But let's not let the heat spoil what we have here, I suppose. Lots of wet swamp type of conditions in the forest here all alongside us. It's very nice. Oh, it smells awesome in here. Nice fragrance from the trees wafting through. Some horseflies buzzing around my head. That was fun. Ooh, almost snagged my foot on a root there. That would have been bad. Some of these roots are like rope here. You see that? It's a place where you have to look down a lot and be sure of your footing. Some nice wood nymphs flying around in the forest. A lot the last about 3 weeks. I noticed they're really on the rise. The swallowtails, the Canadian swallowtail, has largely disappeared. It has been replaced by, I believe it's the great spangled fritillary butterfly, which is a orangish black marked butterfly who can be small or very large in butterfly terms. And yeah, the wood nymph. Lots of wood nymphs. That's for the larger butterflies. The little ones I'm not too familiar with, But I know we are starting to lose our I think they're called crescent-winged butterflies, because they have like these little marks on their orange and black marked wings that resemble crescents. You might know what I'm talking about. If you do, that's good. If you don't, that was probably very confusing. But yeah, this is the end of the trail here. See you soon, guys.